Hello friends, welcome to Modern Educations. In this video, we will see about 12th Chemistry Chapter 1 P Block Elements. You know that the P block elements are placed to the right side of the periodic table in groups 13 to 18. You also
Thus,
know
in these
that in the
elements, the
atoms of
NP
P block
subshell in
elements, the
gradually field or
differentiations
accounts of
electron
this general
enters the
valence shells.
valence P.
Electronic configurations of these elements are NS2 and NP126. Note that the electronic configurations of helium is 1s2. Although the helium does not have a p orbitals, it is a p block elements because it resembles that of other peoples or elements of the 18th group with the respect of their properties. Most of the p block elements are non-metals, while the remaining metals and metalloids does the presence of all the three types of elements in p block. Of the long form of periodic table, diversifications in chemical behavior of these elements. The study of the elements is an important area in chemistry, as these elements and their compounds have an immense significance in industries and our day-to-day life. Now, let us turn to the study of group 15. In nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. First element, see the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major constituent of the Earth atmosphere and accounts of 78% by the volume. It is the first members of this crew acquires the free state of diatomic gas in NS2. No other elements of this group exist in the free state. In combined state, it may be occurs in the forms of minerals. Chili salt is called the petre and Indian salt is called the petri. It is also found as the essential constituent in amino acids, nucleic acids and enzymes. And next elements are we will see in the part 2.